Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are going to be replacing the gas springs on the rear hatch of our Escape. As you can see, it's not quite opening as far as it used to without a little bit of help. When it's up, it stays up, but it doesn't always lift up by itself. So we have some gas springs that we got off Amazon right down here. We're going to be installing them, and it's very quick and easy. You just got to be careful not to let the hatch fall on your head. That's really the biggest part. So let's get started. The materials for this are going to be pretty basic. Just the 2 replacement gas springs, which I'll link in the description below, as well as a small flathead screwdriver, and again, a friend if you think that you'll need some help holding the liftgate up while you're replacing these. You can do it single-handed. I'm going to show you. Alright, so the brand of gas springs that we're using here is Tough Support. I'll have the part number and the link in the description below. And really, all you need to do is take off this little metal clip. You don't even take it off, you just kind of lift it up. And when you pull that clip back, these little teeth that you see that go around the ball will expand, and you can slide it over top of the ball and then release it, and it'll capture it on top of the ball again. So you can even see a little bit of grease in there, which is good. But really, it's as simple as just getting the flathead screwdriver in there. You'll see it lifted up a little bit, but now you can see that those teeth are no longer visible, and you can slide it right over top of the ball. So for starters, on removing it, you want to put your hand supporting the liftgate. We're going to stick our screwdriver in that flat there, pull out this clamp, and this should lift right away. Now with the liftgate resting on my shoulder, I'm going to take the screwdriver here, pull that ring out, and slide it off. We'll wipe off any dirt and grime that's on this ball. Now you can let it shut if you'd like to. Just know it's going to be heavier when you open it next time. Alright, so now we're going to reconnect our new one in place of the old one. So now we've cleaned off the metal ball that it's going to attach to, and we actually don't need to lift the clip up this time because it'll just snap around that existing ball, which is pretty cool. It's very convenient. So I can just put it on there, and it's attached. Now let's do the top. Now, still supporting the liftgate with one hand, I'm going to take this. I did have to turn this a little bit so that the socket would face the ball. Just press it in. Make sure that that ring is seated nice and tight. Now it holds itself together. All right, we now have both gas springs replaced. In terms of orientation, you have the main wide body of the cylinder attached to the body of the car, and you have the skinny shaft end attached to the liftgate. So let's test it. If I have it all the way down here, and that is higher than it's lifted in probably a year or two. And we're not going to smack our heads on it anymore because we're not super tall. But that's all there is to that. Again, the links to these gas springs are down in the video description. It's an Amazon link, so check it out if you're interested in getting this set. If you like this or thought it was interesting, please give it a thumbs up. If you know anyone who's going to do this, share it. And as always, subscribe to the channel for more. Talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.